SOTI have arranged a really interesting day for us today for our visit. We have had some fantastic tech talks this morning, really good information for students to take away.
The Open Day, it's a great opportunity to meet some of the developers, see what their day-to-day is, and get networking and talk to people about what you want to do and your aspirations, and they'll be able to help you because that's the path that they follow down.
I want to see the company culture of here, and I want to see what is the company is that good, and I would like to come in and see myself, and I find it always great. And I see the person here and people here is so friendly and so passionate about their job, their position, their roles as well.
So when you come to SOTI as an intern, you're not actually working on side projects, you're working on our core products. Just the same as anyone else in the software team, in the QA team, in the product, or in the technical support team. It's exactly what anyone starting here as a full-time employee would do. So you get a full experience like that.
I started here at SOTI as an intern, and my kind of goal was starting off here. I loved it here. All the people and the culture and just the work they were doing was just exactly what I was aiming for, to be part of a team and be included in what was happening, and now I get to live that.
The job experience starts from these kind of events. Even though you are afraid of, you find a job, you don't know what to do, but this is a real lifetime opportunity.
If you want to know more, check us out on LinkedIn or visit us at soti.net/careers.